What are the two new shapes you would create? So looking at this right here, what two new shapes would you create? Well, I can look at my answer choices. There's two that are super silly. Which two are my silly answers? There's no way in the world. It is impossible. Which two can I get rid of? Sophia? B. Is that what you said?
D and B.
Okay, what's wrong with D and B?
Triangles is not it because it has a point. It has 3 points.
Yeah, triangle would be like this right here. It has 3 points. So there's no shape over here that's two triangles, right? So what's wrong with a rectangle and a triangle? Same thing? Right? So I am down to A or C. I think the people that got this wrong, they picked A because they said there was 2 squares. There were 2 squares. But what is the correct answer? Kason? Rectangle, 2 rectangles. Because a square can be a rectangle, and a rectangle can be a rectangle. So the answer is 2 rectangles. All right. Hey, Ivy. So 2 rectangles is the correct answer. That was one of the most missed questions, or that was the most missed question on there. All right. This one also tricked people. When you get a problem like this, what I want you to do is I want you to look at if the fractions can be divided evenly. Which one is my silly answer? Which one is my silly answers? Are they all divided? It says, which of the rectangles above are divided into 8 equal parts? Which one is my silly answer? Is one of these shapes not divided? And there's always 2 silly answers and 2 good answers. Tyler. What are my 2 silly answers? We're not even looking at the answer choices yet.
L and J.
L and J. What's wrong with L?
Only has 4.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 parts. And it says 8 in the question. So that's out. Right? What's wrong with J? He says J's wrong. What's wrong with J, Penny?
Well, J doesn't have equal parts.
Right? They're not equal. Not equal. So therefore it is out. So, oops, I wrote that on the wrong one. So J and L. I've been busy today. There you go. Not equal. So J and L. It's gonna be silly, isn't it? Yep. Not equal. All right. So if I take J and L out, which one are my silly answers? Eli, can I remove A? Option A?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because J has a silly answer and K doesn't.
Right. So A is out. I noticed that A, even C has a silly answer. It says L. It has an L in it. And D has a J in it. So I can mark out my 3 silly answers. The next thing I know, I have my correct answer. All right. This one was the second most missed question. All right. We're going to look at number 3. This one, I'm going to allow you to go into breakout rooms and talk about. What I want you to do is on a piece of paper, I want you to draw 1 5/8. I want you to draw 1 5/8 on a piece of paper and pencil. Draw 1 5/8. If you have a marker board, you can do it on a marker board, whatever. Just draw 1 5/8. And once you do that, you will share in your group your answer. 1 5/8. What would that look like as you draw it? 1 5/8. It's one of these answers. All right. I'm going to put you in a small group. One of the things y'all tell me was more breakout rooms, Mr. Clem, during our 10:30 meeting. Make it more fun. So here you go. You can talk with a partner. There you go. Talk with a partner. What? How do you know the answer? 1 5/8. Selena, were you going to say something? Did you have your hand up? Oh, no? Okay. There you go. So, what did y'all draw for 1 5/8? Which one? A, B, C, or D?
I
You drew B. Why?
because it has 8 parts, and it's the first one is full, and then the second one has 5.
Okay. Tyler, is that what you drew? Yeah, that's what you drew. Do you agree with her answer B? Or do you disagree? You think it's a different answer? You agree? Awesome. Okay, what's wrong with this one? Are there 8 parts?
No, there's more than 8
There's more than
parts.
8. This one is all messed up because this one's not colored in. So that's out. C's silly. This one's colored in, but this is one whole long fraction. So that can't be it. Excellent. All right. You guys can hang out and talk to each other for just a moment, okay? I'm going to check on the other 3 people. 3 groups.
I'm back.
Hey, what did y'all get?
I got 3.
What, A, B, C, or D? Which one did you get?
I got B because I think it's talking about 1 full and 5/8, and that one, and both of them are 8.
Okay, excellent. Do you agree or disagree, Penny?
I can't really hear from the way her sound sounds.
Yeah, her sounds a little different today. I don't know if it's her microphone. She said the answer is B. Because they're both divided into 8s, and it's 1 5/8 is what she thinks. Do you agree or disagree?
I would have chosen B because there's 3 left, just like on my marker board.
Excellent, and that's what you drew? Awesome. You girls can hang out while I go to the next group. I'm going to check on all 4 groups. I have 2 more groups to check on real quick. Excellent.
Unless I'm a cat, an actual cat.
All right. Hey, guys. What did you get for this answer? A, B, C, or D?
I got A.
You got A? Okay. How did you get A? Why did you pick A?
Because you said 1 5/8.
Okay. Hadley, do you agree or disagree?
I agree.
You agree it's A? Okay, so let's look. All right, so how many, if it's an 8, how many parts does 8 have? How much would each fraction have? 8. So let's count. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's 4. This one's 5. I'm gonna write on the inside so I don't get too big. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that 8 parts?
No.
No, that's 12s. That's 12s. So can A be correct?
No.
Nope. A is out. Because they have 12 parts. We want 8. Okay. How about B? Does it have 8 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If the whole thing's colored in, that's 1. Then over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But are there 5 parts shaded in?
Yes.
Yes. 3, 4, 5. So B, we think, but are we gonna stop there, Eli? No, why not? We have to prove our answer.
Check the other answers.
You gotta check the other answer. The problem with D is what? It's one whole thing. It's one whole thing, so that can't be it. That's a silly answer. What's wrong with C?
Because it has
It's an
one.
8. It's an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's wrong with it?
It has one like shaded in, and it got 5 shaded in too.
Right. In order to be a one whole, all 8 parts have to be eaten. It's almost like two chocolate chip cookie bars that you get at the cafeteria. Hadley eats her whole thing, and then Elijah comes over and he only eats 5 out of his 8 pieces of his Hershey's bar. He only eats 5. Hadley, on the other hand, she's like, oh yeah, this is good. Eats all 8 pieces. So that would be 1 and 5/8. Okay, so remember when it's a whole, the whole thing has to be shaded. Okie dokie? All right, you guys talk for just 1 second. I have one more group to talk with. Already talked with them. Oh, that is everybody. Awesome. Close rooms. All right. We had some great conversations. You guys did a great job explaining your answer on that as well. Super proud of you. The answer is B. Good job. All right. Now, here's one of the questions they could ask you. How many sides does this shape have? How many sides does this shape have? Sophia?
3.
1, 2, 3. Well, there's a problem with that. Is it a shape?
No.
Nope, it's not a shape, so the answer is 0. Because it's not a shape. In order to be a triangle and have 3 sides, it has to be closed. The door has to be closed. Okay, so don't fall for that trick. They're going to do that to you. They could possibly do that to you. Don't fall for that trick. In order to be a shape, the whole thing has to be closed in. Nothing open. All right, same thing. How many sides, Eli, does this shape have? How many sides do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it a shape, though?
No.
No. So it doesn't have 4 sides.
0.
It has 0. In order to be a shape, it must be closed. In order to be a shape with 4 sides, the correct answer is this one. This one has 4 sides because every single side is closed together. Okie dokie? Got it? Any questions on that? All right. Last one. Last problem. All right. How many pie pieces are shown above? Now, we haven't talked about this one yet, so I want you to think for a second. How many pie pieces are shown above?
12.
Are there only 3? All right, I want you to write it on a piece of paper and show me. Write it on your paper real big, show me on the screen. How many pie pieces are shown above? Right, big number. Show me on the screen. This is the last question. Oh, I need my mask. Whoops, forgot my mask. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a mini cup?
A mini cup? Yes, ma'am, right there. All right, show me. I see, okay, Hadley has her answer. Eli has his answer. Selena, Tyler's ready. Sophia's ready. Ivy, you ready? Kason, you ready? Not, I'm waiting on Ivy and Kason. How many total? This one's, it seems like a trick question. It is kind of tricky. All right. I see lots of different answers. I see 12, I see 14, I see 3. All right, so let's look at it. How many pieces on this one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The correct answer, 12. Okay, so when you're doing it, you have to add 4 plus 4 plus 4. All right, that's how you get the answer 12. Because each piece has 4 pieces. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. All right, so when you're doing it, count. I want you to label the pieces. If there's 6 pieces in each, then you do 6 plus 6 plus 6. If there's 8 pieces in each, 8 plus 8 plus 8. All right, if there's 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. All right, whatever is in each, we want to know the total. Got it? Yes, Sophia, you have a question?
Do we have 11 o'clock soon?
Yeah, we will be meeting at 11:10, Sophia, so we can do your read aloud to me. There's no small groups this week because I am meeting with each kid individually so that you guys can read to me. Okay? All right, so I'll see you in about 10 minutes. I love you guys. I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love y'all. Bye-bye.